Have you ever met a really successful person and just you wanted to get their help but didn't know how to ask? I got a video today from Dex in Florida who's asking for that help, and help is coming.
Limitless guy, dude, I need your help. I need your team. The whole shebang, the whole process. I'm down. I believe in what you say, man. And I'm broke. I have very little to no worth. Anything, man. I'm 25 and I want a big family. So I'm kind of pressed for time. I don't have any kids yet, but I do. I want a big family, man. You got to help me out, bro. You got to help me out, bro.
Dex, listen up. I want you to listen as carefully as you can to the words that come out of my mouth. Because I'm sitting there as I'm observing you and I see that you're a young man, you've got big aspirations, you want to have a family, but I'm telling you right now, you are saying some things that are bringing you so low and they're hurting you so bad, but you may not even know it, right? I mean, you're on my channel subscribing and have me talking about making money in real estate, and you're probably hoping that I'm gonna reach out and say, let me help you make some money. But I'm gonna do the help in one of the weirdest ways possible. I've got you to know that the most important thing for you to help yourself has nothing to do with real estate or wealth or making money. You gotta start by healing the real estate that is between your ears, because you're dropping some words saying that, that you don't have any money, saying that you have no worth. I need you to understand something. There's a difference between being poor and being broke. Broke is a temporary condition, but being poor is a state of mind. And brother, you are poor. You got a state of mind that is right now so mentally, financially broken. There's so much scarcity there. So I hear you reaching out saying, dude, hook me up, help me out. And that's what this video is. And I want to tell you right now that it starts with number one, you got to watch the words that come out of your mouth. I get it. The people that you were born and raised with, the people we hang out with, we create this tolerance for a way of speaking about ourselves. But the way that you're speaking about yourself is so disrespectful. If you had an understanding of how precious and how priceless you really are, you wouldn't refer to yourself in some of the ways that you did in your video there. Now, I don't want to come down on you and reprimand you in a negative way. It's just a way to say, dude, you are way too special, way too important to treat yourself that way. You just maybe don't know it yet. Right now, the words that come out of our mouth are a representation of the thoughts that we think. So our thoughts and our words, they become a reality. If you need your outside world to change, if you want more abundance, if you want greater health, if you want more happiness, all of those things have to first shift, not in the outside tangible world. They have to actually shift here in the real estate between your ears, which means that we alter consciously the way that we think so that we can bring about a different destiny. What you're ultimately asking for is, how do you shift your destiny? And I'm telling you that the secret so far lies in shifting your thoughts. I want to give a special offer to you. And in fact, anyone that's watching this video, as long as the video is up, I'm going to extend this offer to you. I've written 3 different books. My latest book is a bestseller on Amazon. It's called Limitless. And if you go to kriskrohn.com, the link's in the description, you can actually go to my website and you can click and read on my books. If you will go to Amazon and purchase Limitless, either in hardback or audio format, that book is going to teach you how to think different. It's also going to teach you how to alter your belief system so that when you change the way that you think, when you change your beliefs, you change your entire future. People that pay $250,000 to privately mentor with me one-on-one, guess what I'm doing in our private sessions? I am reworking their mind. I wrote the book so I can get it in as many hands as possible. So Dex, I want you to get your hands on this book. Number 2, I want you to read it. And then number 3, in the back of the book, I have cataloged the most successful thoughts regarding money, relationships, your body, and confidence. Those 4 areas. It covers about 22 pages. When you get the hardback book, I want you to grab a highlighter. I want you to highlight all of those positive phrases. And every morning, I want you to recite them, believing as if they're already true, because a number of them are not going to feel true right now. But this is the way that you train yourself and you train your mind. And what you're doing is you're priming yourself for becoming successful out here by first experiencing it in here. Now, I want to make a deal with you. I'm asking you to make a small investment in yourself. I'm asking you to go and buy a book on audio or buy a physical book. And I understand that there's a small investment, but I want you to understand you're worth it. So here's the deal. For any of you that are watching this video, This is a little crazy, but go to kriskrohn.com, click the link to get the book Limitless. Read the book. If you buy the book and if you read the book and start taking this advice, then on that same website, you can contact my company and you can ask for 2 free complimentary tickets to my event. Now, these are $3,000 tickets to come spend 3 days with me having a life-changing experience. And the events that I put on are all about changing your thought process so that everything can shift. You want to make $1 million in real estate, you got to change your thinking. You want to change anything in your life, you're going to have to change your thinking. Most people don't know how to do that, but I can promise you my events are life-changing. So here's the deal. I've taught you and showed you in this video what you need to do to change your thought process. My invitation is go to kriskrohn.com, purchase a copy of the book, go to that appendix and start reciting those words every single day. They are like weaving a magic spell that, I kid you not, will change your life in the most dramatic way possible. Doing so is going to entitle you to get 2 tickets. As long as this video is up, you can then reach out to my customer support team and said, I watched the video, I got the book, and I want to get the 2 tickets. And then come join me at one of my events. Do whatever it takes to join me there. And my promise for you is that when you and I meet face to face and I get to look at you in the eyes, and by the time we're done with having that 3-4 day experience together, your life will never be the same again. Now, Dex, that is the most impactful thing that I can do for you or anyone watching this video that says, right now, I'm down and out, my future is not bright, and I need help. Take this advice, your life will never be the same again. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Dex, I hope you really rock out the advice. For any of you watching, all you got to do is go to kriskrohn.com, links in the description, and scroll down so you can check out my books. Purchase the book Limitless and start following its methodology, and you can reach out immediately to customer support and we will hook you up with 2 tickets to my event. That's a really big deal because almost everyone else that's there will have paid somewhere between $1,000 and $5,000 to be at that event to share in that life-changing experience. So if it calls to you, take advantage of it and watch your life change before your eyes.